Another outstanding example, Land Rover Defender 90. 3 litre diesel, 250 brake horsepower, SE model, but then with beautiful extras on top. Priced, now this car, and I always say it all the time, is going to go live on the website, and it's in a great price range. It's sub £70,000, which is an expensive car, but for a 90 Defender with this specification, it's the best buy in the country. It's got the upgraded 20-inch wheels. It's got the full upgraded off-road tyres as well, which I think suits the car fantastically well. It's got a sliding sunroof, clear sight camera, bonnet decals, black exterior styling badging, LED adaptive headlights at the front there with it being the SE, and it's just a lovely car. Santorini black, whatever anyone says about Defenders, the #1 selling colour in a Defender is black, by far. We cost us more to buy, they sell quicker, it's the #1 colour. It's got privacy glass on the back. Moving round the rear, you've got your spare wheel cover, you've got them beautiful LED lights, it's got the rear and front mud flaps as well. The wheels set it off as well. The wheels are done in an anthracite colour. They work really, really well. It's all keyless entry. Press the button. And then you've got the SE features. So you get memory seats on an SE. You get Meridian surround sound stereo. All electric seats. It's lovely inside as well.
Exciting, you know, really. Hey, look, as always, tell me what you're doing.
And then you've got clear sight camera there, which is a great little extra. And you get great specification as standard on these cars. So you've got cruise control, you've got the full camera system with the surround and 3D option, which is superb. Then you've got your touchscreen, digital climate, seats, apps, Bluetooth, navigation, and all the safety features as well. So things like if you go on the, see on the mirror there, the little orange light, so that's your blind spot monitoring assist, which again, great extras. Inside it's got the extra black trim, which normally comes on the X Dynamic, which runs throughout the doors and the studs, which I think works really well. All your USB charging points, all your different driving terrain options and heated seats and things. But yeah, great car. And the big one, before I get out, is the sliding sunroof. £2,000 option, massive option, makes a huge difference to resale value, having the pan roof. So it's an important one, that. In the back, we've got an extra set of mats there as well. Parcel shelf, that's what they call a parcel shelf. It's made out of material on a new Defender. This rear tailgate is soft close as well. So that's got the key ingredients for a Defender to sell. The colour black, pan roof, 250 horsepower, clear sight camera, upgraded wheels. So it'll just sell. It's going live. Ring us, you can come and get it reserved. It's ready to go. You can pick it up tomorrow. Thank you.